Okay folks, today we're going to be installing the bait bar system on to the explosive tackle Triton. I've gotten two of the long bait bars, which are the 24-inch bait bars, one of the 12-inch. Bait bars come from the manufacturer with a nice protective cellophane wrapping, which I've already removed onto the first bar that we're going to remove or install. Going to be using 3M double-sided tape to install it to the flat portion of my rod locker. I chose the 3M tape over screwing it. Measure out my tape, how much I want. Go ahead and cut it where I need it. On these bars you'll have two ends. The flat solid end is the end that you're going to be mounting to your rod locker. You can do it with screws, which can be screwed all the way up from the bottom, or you can do it with 3M tape. Again, I'm using the 3M tape method simply because of my boat being a little bit older. I'm not wanting any leakage problems. Go ahead and set my double-sided tape on there. We're going to give it a couple minutes to let it set up. I believe Scotch 3M says about 15 minutes for it to set up. And then you let it sit once it installs to the bottom for 24 hours prior to hanging any weight on it, which we're going to give it plenty of time. We're not going to put any lures on it until probably a week from now. Okay, I've got my 3 bars prepped. Take the first bar we're going to install. I'm going to peel back. I'm going to go ahead and peel back the backing. When you're installing the bars, you want to make sure, again, that this open part will be facing upwards. And just pressure into place. Letting the tape adhere, and you'll be ready to go. Like 3M said, like I advised earlier, 3M requires that it's 15 minutes for it to set up on the surface to adhere, and then they want at least 24 hours before you add any weight to it. These bait bars can be purchased at www.thebaitbar.com. They're a great little, it's a great little invention, and it's not going to hurt the budget. So for any of you spinnerbait fishermen or jig fishermen, or if you just have excess soft plastics as I do, these little bars will be great for you. I'm going to go ahead and install the short 12-inch bar on this tackle hatch, or locker, whichever you want to call it. Again, just peeling back my 3M tape. And then pressing it into place. install the last long bar, similar to the first long bar that we installed. On my actual spare tackle, or I should say my bulk tackle bin locker. There you have it. 3 bait bars installed in just under 5 minutes.